thing about this wig, I was like, basically this is 2 wigs in one. Black Al, how you like me now?
Listen long enough, you can love me. Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that.
Hi ladies and gentlemen and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It is wine and wigs day. Clink, 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 clink. Shout out to the Mott's girlies. Y'all already know what I got in my glass. It's apple juice. Y'all let me know what you're drinking, and let me know what wig you're wearing if you're wearing a wig today. Or if you're not and you got on your bonnet and you just relaxing, let me know. Y'all see this hair on my head? Babe, look at these curls. Look at that baby hair. Look at these curls. Are you ready to get into it? I mean, look at that. Before we get into this wig, I want to ask y'all a quick question. Could you subscribe and hit the post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post? Because I'm coming to you every single week with brand new wigs. Brand new personalities, girl. Now that you've done that, we can go ahead and get into this wig. Now this wig on my head, oh my God. It's another wear and go wig. Let me show you. Hold on. Like, I mean, how many times y'all gonna see this? How many times you gonna get sick of it? This wig is absolutely gorgeous. And I would like to say thank you to Curlyme for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and get into the details. This wig on my head is the absolutely gorgeous wear and go Afro kinky curly glueless closure wig. It has a 4 by 6.5 closure up at the top. The rest of it is a dome cap, so it's just tracks here. Now this wig is 20 inches long and 180% density, and it's in the texture Mongolian kinky curly. Now this wig features a Swiss HD lace, so it's very, very seamless. You can wear her glueless. You won't have to. You could glue her down if you want to, because it's a wig snatcher in Atlanta, or you can go ahead and let her be free. This wig has a pre-plucked hairline. It has pre-cut lace. It has HD lace. When you pop the hood on this wig, you can see it comes with no combs, no adjustable straps in the back, so it's very, very smooth inside. You don't have no catching or nothing on your natural hair. And it also comes with a piano key elastic band just so you can wear it glueless, and she's super duper secure. One thing about this wig, I was like, basically this is 2 wigs in one. Black Al, how you like me now? Look, if you on the run, just do this. Just do this. They'll never be able to find you. They won't even be able to find you. They say, who's that? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Come on. Like, y'all will be sick of me. I would be in the middle of a restaurant like, try me now. try me now. But if you want to see everything that I did to customize this wig and get this, let me pull this back because it's a little bit too close. If you want to see everything I did to customize this wig and get this wig looking like this, how I got these curls popping, and how I did like the hairline, all that type of stuff, and how I got her to blend, please keep on watching, and I'll be back at the very end with my final thoughts and a coupon code. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started with the base first, and then we get to try on the wig, or are we gonna try on the wig? We're gonna start with the base. Now, you already know this is a wear and go wig. We've been through this routine many times before because, girl, the wear and go wigs are wearing us out. Since a wear and go wig is a closure wig, you get very much a closure clip if you don't do like baby hairs or something like that. So we're gonna do baby hairs using the She Is Bomb Fast Drying Edge Control. Y'all know I love this edge control. I'm gonna lay down the baby hairs right at the ear tabs. Get that on out the way, girl. Girl, my hair is gunky. Oh, I need to wash my hair. I just washed it like 2 weeks ago. I just washed it. Was it 2 weeks ago? I think it was like a week and a half. So for the base, we're also going to prep with a wig grip. Wear and go wigs, I'm sorry, a bald cap don't make sense to me because it's wear and go. You could just rip it off. You can wear it glueless, apparently. You're supposed to be able to. So I put on a wig grip, then I put the wig cap over it, then we're done, girl. That wig cap ain't going nowhere. The wig ain't going nowhere. Girl, we are stuck. Like Chuck. I think I've only seen a couple of wear and go wigs where the knots are actually bleached. These knots are bleached, and you can tell by the golden tinge under the lace. Let me toss this on and see what she gives. Okay, that's a good start. It's a little bit light, but who's surprised? I feel like you could wear this right out of the pack if your skin tone matches the lace, but we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of lace tint. The lace tint I like to use is the Calendaric Lace Tint Spray in the color medium brown. Shipping, I think, still is a mess over there, but the product is still really, really good. So purchase at your own risk, but I was just letting you know this is my favorite lace tint. I like to tip my lace on my Wear and Go wigs. It's basically the same way I tip my lace on the rest of my wigs. Take the lace tint spray. I spray the lace. Oh, I'm getting this all over me. And then I'll take a brush. This is my lace tint brush, and I just blend it in. But I also like to go over top of the lace and just kind of get those edges too, so it don't reflect off my head. Dab it in the front, and then I blow dry it. I blow dry it on high and warm with the diffuser on top so the hair doesn't blow all over the place. I don't mess up the hairline. So, babe, when I tell you, I swear to God, I be burning these wigs, child. Ooh, I love putting on my wig when it's still warm. Now, at this point, this lace is supposed to melt into the skin. You're not supposed to see it. See, that's when I could tell it's a good lace, because it's melting right back into the skin. You can't see it. I don't gotta glue it down. I ain't gotta do nothing. Girl, you could barely see that. Like I'm not, I wonder if I can make this a side part. Ooh, we can make it a side part too. Girl, ooh, we about to do 2 wigs in one. Hello? Okay, let's do the hairline first before I get way too excited. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten the hairline backwards and re-flatten it to the way it was, because I done messed it up by tinting the lace. So in order to re-flatten the hairline, they use a wax stick. I'm gonna use my She Is Bomb Collection hair wax stick. This makes the wig look more like it's growing out of your scalp. For me, I like for the hairline to be flat. Add it to the hairline so we can re-flatten it and get it looking like it's brand freaking new. I'm taking my Red by Kiss hot comb, and I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten the hairline. I turn it all the way up to sizzle, okay? Sizzle. You know, it's so scary that something this sizzling is close to the forehead, but so I just flatten it backwards, boom. Like so, y'all see the difference? I know y'all see the difference. Like I ask this every time, and I know y'all see it. Don't nobody be saying nothing, but I know y'all see it. Okay, you see that? Baby, that's flat, it's looking good. So I'm gonna pull it forward so you can see see the difference? Like it look like it's just like growing out of the scalp. You know what I'm saying? Am I gonna do my baby hairs next? I should, but I wonder if I do a side part, what would I do with the baby hairs then? Like what I'm gonna do with them baby hairs then? Because I'm gonna have one right here and right here. I guess you wouldn't see it. Girl, I'm thinking way too hard about this, and I need to figure out my life. So y'all know I gotta do baby hairs. Like what else am I gonna do? Not do baby hairs? Like what world are we living in? I need something to part this hair out. Ow, a wig injury. I done scratched myself for a wig injury. Like, did I really just do that? I did that. Now I'm gonna part them just a tad bit higher, or maybe just right here. And then we'll take care of the other side later. You know, like I'll just put them in the regular spot I always put them. And basically what I like to do, use my baby hairs for is like a little anchor, plus I like to use them just to create like a more edge like look. Cause I find that just the wig going straight back or like with no edges, it just don't be looking right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how to describe it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my She Is Bomb Lace Putty sculpting hair gel, and we're gonna take a baby hair brush and I'm just gonna dip it in here. This gel smells so good, but it's not like, some people say they can lay down their wigs with it, and I don't think, it don't be giving that to me. But I love how like soft this gel is. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a really soft, it's a putty. It's a really soft gel. I'm also gonna do a little sculpting on the front, right? Just to like lay some of these hairs back. Just a little sculpting, just that's all, not too much. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. While I watch Hulu documentaries, girl, I'm into the mess. Right now I'm watching, what is this, My Fake Husband? My Husband That Be Lying? Betrayal, The Perfect Husband. We're gonna get this hair out the way first. Where's my hair clip? But this is going by so fast. Like, this is crazy. Lay this on down. And next we get to work on the hair. We need to get this hair, we need to get these curls going. You know what I'm saying? Like a little moustiana or whatever. I need to get this part together too because it's like kind of short. See if I can get a part going just a little bit. Spread this on out. Okay, so I'm just gonna flatten this part just so we can define the part just a little bit. I'm not one that likes perfect parts though. I kind of like messy parts because I feel like it makes the wig look a little bit more realistic. I don't know. I'm also lazy. So this is what the hair looks like with no mousse, nothing in it. And I think it looks good, but y'all know me. I like realistic, juicy curls like we all do. I'm not no different. I don't know why I'm trying to act like I'm a different breed. But first, I just need to cut it just a little bit, not too much. Y'all not gonna get mad at me. I'm just gonna quickly do a cut, like a layered cut, a little bit in the front. I take just hair, all this hair in the front, right? Basically all the closure part, right? We take all the closure part and then I take this front edge. Now I've never done this before, so I don't know why I'm explaining it like I have, but I feel like this gonna work. And take all this and push it forward, trim it, right? I'm not even gonna brush it out. I'm just gonna cut it like this. Like that. But then I'm gonna flip some of this hair back, right? Because then I can work into this hair as a guide. So I'm gonna twist this away because I want this to be the part that I cut. I don't know, this is just freestyle. So y'all tell me if I'm looking a fool, but I think I'm doing something. Send it away. Okay, and then I'm gonna flip a small section back and then we're gonna cut it again. Chop it, boom. And then I got one more again. And I'm just gonna chop a little bit because at this point I feel like this is gonna be real short and I'm gonna look a fool. So just a little bit. That's not that much. Cause this hair has to curl up, so. And then I'm gonna take this part that had the front part and I'm gonna do like just an angle cut just to make sure it's gradual, you know? And just gradually cut into it. So it's not like so blunt. I feel like y'all are not gonna take me seriously, but I feel like you should. I feel like I know what I'm doing. So hungry. What am I gonna eat? I didn't eat too much for breakfast. All I had was a bowl of cereal. I did something with that. Okay, now for the bottom, I just need to trim it just a little bit. And I'm just gonna cut evenly, like maybe an inch off. Like this. This is not an inch, this is like an inch and a half, maybe 2. And chop it. Don't trust me? Yeah, that wasn't that much. That wasn't that bad. Ooh, is it even? Maybe I don't feel like it's even. I'm just gonna use the hair that I cut already from the top and use it as a guide and just cut right down like that. And then we done. I'm not playing around with this no more, okay? Sorry, my camera died, but I did the other side. Next, let's go ahead and add the mousse. You already know what time it is. If I do anything different, something is going on because this is my tried and true. Use it every single time. Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. This is the Evolve 572 brush. Amazing brush. Love this brush. These two together, glorious. What I'm gonna do is part the hair in sections. I always part it in half because it's just easier. And we're just gonna work through this hair in tiny sections just to get the mousse going and get the hair curling and whatnot, you know? So, and I'm gonna try my best to work in larger sections because smaller sections take forever. But I'm gonna show y'all like what this mousse does. Cause you see these curls now, like they look like, it's giving very much ramen noodle, but like dry. I want wet ramen. I want noodle in a cup, girl. I want sauced up ramen. Ooh, I'm getting mousse all over me. I'm just gonna rub the mousse in the hair, rub the mousse through the hair, and then detangle the curls. Now, while I'm doing this, I may trim the hair like a little bit if it feels like a little dry on the ends. But you see how I'm combing it through and getting all the mousse up and through this hair? Yes. See that? Ew. I'm gonna work through the rest of the hair doing the same method, and then after that we get to reveal the hairline. And baby, that's it. I'm not playing around with you girls. Saturday, I need to go eat and drink. Okay? Let's section this hair away and let's keep a going. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Do y'all see this hair? Do you see this hair? The curls, everything. It's big, it's bouncy, it's curly, it's fluffy. Baby, it's eating. Like, look. And I love that the knots are bleached because, especially in the front, because you don't see them dots, girl. I could wear this out. Okay, I could wear this out and I'm not gonna feel like, oh, can somebody see my little dipping dots on my forehead? But ain't nobody gonna see no dipping dots on my forehead. I gotta do the thing. Ooh, ooh, oh. My baby hair stuck. You see that? Ew, ew. Oh, my man at the door. Let me shift it a little bit so you can see the, look, I wanna see if it can work. It went straight into a side part. Oh my God.
Go right into the side part.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty slick.
Isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Isn't it, governor?
Isn't it? It's so versatile. So easy to do. Girl, you get 2 wigs in one. Should I cut this? Hold on. I think this one size longer anyways. It is. Girl, I need to cut this. Hold on. Here we go. Other side. Okay, let's see what the other side looking like. I'm not this side. This not my good side for the part. I like my other side. But that's insane. It's a very, very comfortable wig. You can wear it glueless. I definitely would call this a wear and go wig. The only thing is that this tint, it needs a little tint on the lace. That's always been my issue. But with most wigs, I do feel like you have to tint the lace. Keep a lace tint in your back pocket, in your pocketbook, in your baby bag. Everybody needs a lace tint. So, and look how seamless it is on the side. This is the closure without all the mess and the tracks and all that. Like, wow. Now there's a wig snatcher in Atlanta. Stay away from me, girl, because I like this wig. Did I show y'all the back? I'm gonna show y'all the back. These curls. If you see that split down the middle, it's because the hair been split. But look. Y'all let me know what you think down below. Which one do you like better? The middle part or the side part? Let me know down below. I think I like the side part. I think I like the side. We'll end it like this. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. And I will leave a link for this unit as well as a link to the coupon code down below because you know I'm not sending you out the door without getting some money off. That's rude. Anyways, I want to say thank you again to Curlyme for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.